Welcome back, everybody, to another Thursday episode. And what we like to try to do is we try to make a meal in about 3 minutes. Not all the time we do these on Thursdays, but this is my plan, all right? And not a lot of cutting, not a lot of this and that. It's just one take, and we try to roll. Probably wondering what the heck you gonna do today, Hussey. Well, I'm glad you asked. Man, that's really big.
Yeah, it is.
Guys, we got a little technical difficulty here. I'm wanting to do an egg in a hole waffle sandwich, but my ring, I got a smaller one. I'll be right back. We are gonna cut this, all right? We are gonna cut it. Okay, guys, we're gonna try this. Let's see if this will work. Yeah, there we go. Looky there. So we're not gonna start this clock yet. I mean, this is like, you gotta do a little bit of prep. There we go. Look at that. All right. So I wanna do an egg in a hole waffle sandwich. I just thought that would be really, really good. I thought it'd be, you know, for the campers out there, my people that love camping, this would be a great camping thing. Just, kids will love it. Everybody's gonna love it. So, there we go. All right, there we go. All right, we got our frozen waffles, and these have thawed just a little bit. And we're gonna put these down onto our griddle. All right, I think we could need to start time right now. I don't know, some people may think I'm cheating, but we're gonna put it down. All right, we're gonna start it down. We'll see. All right, a little bit of butter. I'm gonna put our waffles down. Remember, thaw your waffles. I'm gonna put the other circle there, all right? And then what I did previously also, guys, is I pre-patted some sausage, Nisi sausage, state law. Put that down onto the griddle. It's gonna be tough to get this in 3 minutes just because of sausage, but you know, I'm all up for a challenge, okay? Got my griddle, I turned it off. That's what I want to tell you guys all the time. People ask, Hussey, my griddle's too hot. Why is it too hot? Low's low. Just cut the burners off. You gotta cut the burners. It's hot outside, it's gonna be 100 degrees today. And you know, don't have much go to 300 degrees, so there you have it. Our waffles, they're looking fantastic. Not much to go on this at all. And I tell you what, we could probably go ahead and do while we wait for our sausage is, I got some eggs, y'all. Jacob got me some eggs. The fresh farm eggs, straight from Jacob's family's farm. They got some chickens. And I said, I want some of them good eggs. I want some good eggs. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter down right in that circle of the waffle. That's a lot, but it'll be all right. Let's see what these are looking like. We need to make sure they're cooked also. What is this one, Jacob? A dang quail egg. What do y'all got? Hey, this one was a perfect one, actually. All right. Whoop. Oh man, boy, that is pretty. Really?
Yeah. There's a tiny.
Man, these things right here crack so easy too. I need to throw them in my garden. That's what I need to do. There we go. Oh man, I love these egg in a holes. One of my most favorite things. I'm using 4 of my eggs. I think it's a big one. What was that, a dang duck egg? All right, sausage. Cook up, sausage cook up. All righty. We got our eggs. Where's my salt? Here's salt. Got to salt and pepper those eggs. Just like that. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Love egg in a hole. I did a waffle sandwich. Did a chicken waffle sandwich not long ago, and that was straight balling. And I thought we need to do something for breakfast, right? So here we are. Oh, I need a pepper. That's right, Jacob. You're dang right we do. Little pep. Little pep. We're way over 3 minutes. We're not going to make 3 minutes on this at all, I don't think. But you know what? We're having a darn good time doing it. What's that noise? What was that? I don't know. So the first waffle, I'm going to flip this back over. So I didn't cook it very long on the first side. just wanted to give you that little tidbit because we've got to finish cooking our egg. And we're not going to make it real runny. We're looking for just a little bit of run, not a whole lot, because it'll be very messy. Plus, we're going to dunk it. We're going to dunk it in some beautiful maple syrup right here. Whoop, whoop. Oh boy, that came out pretty dang quick. All right, I think these are ready to flip over. All right, you ready? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Come on with it. There we go. Our sausage. Come on, sausage. I need you. Now, you know, does it need mayonnaise? I don't know. Yeah, I do know it needs it. It needs mayonnaise because this is a sandwich, y'all. It's a sandwich. I'll put a little bit of mayonnaise right there. We're just gonna build this right on the griddle because we bougie and we a griddle pin, okay? Little bit of mayonnaise. Try not to break our egg. Oh man, this is gonna be good. Jacob, you think you're gonna like this? Yeah. Jacob likes breakfast. And it's got his eggs on it, so he can't talk too much trash about it. Right? If it's bad, I'll blame it on your dad's eggs. Okay? Yeah. There we go. All right. Well, we'll go ahead and do this too while we're at it. We'll put a little bit of cheese down. American cheese. I got this from the deli. Here we go. Here we go. Sausage. Oh man, it probably needs just a little bit more time here. Just a little bit more. But I'm also worried that my eggs are going to be a little bit too done. So we're going to put this over here because I'm a little scared. I don't want my eggs to be real done. So put that over there. Yeah. 3-minute Thursdays. These are probably, huh? 30 minutes, 30 minutes. I think this is actually done. We're good. All right, come on over here. There we go. Over here, I'll give you a raw one, Jacob. You can handle it, right? Yeah. Cut our burners off. Now, whoop, there we go. Oh, this one's a little runny. This one's a little runny. Son and boys, let's give hers a try. Woohoo! Look at that beauty. Jacob, look at that. Son. Woohoo! Let's give it a try. It's really hot. I'm gonna put it out with maple syrup. Huh. Golly, that's good. It's hot. There's a lot going on, but man, is it good. Whoop. Mayonnaise down. Whew. I love it. I can see, I can see kids loving this. They'd be like, Daddy, give me another one of those, Daddy. Where's my towel at? This is really good. It just really works. The waffle has a little bit of sweetness to it. The sausage, I just love sausage. I love sausage sandwiches. In fact, I probably like it a little bit better than bacon. I like bacon. Well, I like sausage. Like biscuits and stuff like that a little bit better, but egg's good. That egg, what'd you call it? Egg gravy? Egg-tastic? What? Egg gravy. It's good. Y'all, make this. Thanks for sticking around for this 3-minute Thursday. Appreciate you. Love you. Peace.